So do you think, like...
Oh, God. Welcome to Wrexham.
I am in Wrexham to taste the first ever Welsh Hollywood fusion menu, the Wrexham Tastecourse, delivered by Uber Eats. So you've been to the Turf Pub?
I've been to Turf, yeah. Go there, have a good laugh, you know, have a few scoops.
Scoops?
Yeah, you can get steaming if you want.
What is it like for you being from Wrexham and all the attention that Wrexham's got?
Yeah, it's crazy, to be honest with you, because it's now been put on the map.
Which way am I going? That way, Turf Club?
That way.
Oh my gosh. It's real. He's real. Wayne, I'm so starstruck right now.
How are you?
Oh,
What a
come
real
on.
pleasure.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Gotta have a drink. Maybe like an old fashioned? An old fashioned beer that's made here in Wrexham?
Let's have a pint. None of that cheers nonsense. Iechyd.
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 Now I need some delicious food. I'm going to change into appropriate attire. What have we got?
That is Kenning Glan.
I'll have 12 more of those. Concord Morgana.
That's proper sausage.
Right? No.
Pie sec, champagne. Steak pie. Some words are nice and easy, like pie.
Wayne, care for some of the caviar?
No, thank you.
Okay.
That's different.
Is this a golden blackberry?
It appears so.
Oh my God, that's amazing. That was like my tongue got promoted to the Premier League. I want everyone else in the town to get a chance to sample this delicious menu. This is our Welsh rarebit cheesecake.
Diane, very nice. Thank you.
Oh, no, it's lovely. I gotta be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really nice.
What is the characteristic?
You're going to get that a lot with years of working here. Wow, that is really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you think that a Hollywood Welsh fusion menu is going to be something that will kick off and people will dig?
I would advocate staying away from the cheesecake, but other than that...
Order the Wrexham Tastecourse on Uber Eats and stream season 2 of Welcome to Wrexham on Disney+.